Namaste and welcome. In the previous episode, I had promised to share with you some of the processes of dealing with our emotions. So here I am today with a very powerful process of working with your unpleasant emotional states. I call this process as Restore. Restore is a 6-step process which helps you observe and evolve through your emotional experience, and it also helps you restore your natural state of being. So here we are with the process. Let's begin. So the first step in the process is to recognize. Recognize when something within you needs the light of your attention. So when you are experiencing a state of imbalance or unpleasantness in your thoughts, feelings, or your bodily sensations, and your energy seems contracted, this could be an indication that there is something within you calling for your attention. As a first step, you recognize that it is a signal for you to start the restore process. The second step is to stop and pause. Stop focusing on the external stimulus. The moment you recognize that something within you is calling for your attention, just stop and take a pause. Disconnect from the external stimulus or triggers that have been causing the unpleasantness within you and move to step 3. In step 3, you take 3 long, deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and breathing out from the mouth. And now you're ready to take on step 4, which is to observe. In this step, you will observe your thoughts, reactions, feelings, and sensations one by one. Begin with observing your thoughts. Ask yourself, what am I thinking? Just observe and be aware. Do not get into the rationalization or justification of why you are thinking that way. Just observe your thoughts. And the next is to observe your reaction. Ask yourself, what am I reacting to? Here again, just be aware. Don't start giving explanations. Just be aware and observe. And then observe your feelings. Ask yourself, what am I feeling? So you may be feeling sad or hopeless or worried or irritated or restless or upset or angry. Just be aware of your feeling. Ask yourself, where do I feel it in my body? What sensations am I feeling in my body? Just observe and breathe deeply into your sensations. As you continue to breathe into your sensations, a time will come when the sensations will peak and then begin to fall. Just when all the sensations subside, you can now move to next step, that is step 5. In step 5, you review the situation as a detached observer. So what you do in this step is that you imagine a blank screen in front of you, as if you are sitting in a movie hall in the back seat and there is a blank screen in the projection area right in front of you. And then you project yourself into the screen and watch yourself in this screen from a distance from this back seat where you are presently sitting. As you watch yourself in this screen, review the whole situation as an outside observer. What is it that you can see which this person in the screen is not seeing? What is it that you know which this person in the screen does not know? What is it that you understand which this person in the screen does not understand? Is there something you want to tell this person? What would you like this person to know? What can this person learn from the whole situation? What is the best thing for this person to do? Now, imagine a ray of light starting from you and reaching out to this person in the screen and transferring all these knowings and understandings to her. So with these knowings and understandings transferred to this person in the screen, now it is the time to move to step 6. And step 6 is to evolve through the experience. So as you watch this person in the screen, have her face the original situation that had caused the unpleasantness in the beginning. And with the new insights and understandings that have been transferred to her, watch her responding to the situation in a new and empowered way. This person who is now responding to the situation in the new and empowered way is the evolved you. And so now you can allow yourself to step into this evolved version of yourself. And here you are, get, set, go. The restored you. Now we'll have a brief summary of the steps in the restore process. So step 1 is to recognize when something needs the light of your attention. Step 2 is to stop and pause and to stop focusing on the external stimulus. Step 3 is to take 3 long deep breaths. Step 4 is to observe your thoughts, your reactions, your feelings, your bodily sensations. Step 5 is to review as a detached observer and look at the big picture from a distance. And step 6 is to evolve through the whole experience by integrating the insights gained in the previous steps. So friends, you just had a look at the 6 steps of the restore process, and you can use it as and when needed to manage your negative emotional states. Also, please do share your experiences with us. We would like to hear from you. And yes, there are many interesting processes to follow in the coming episodes. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Till the time we meet again, Namaste.